All right, Rucha, please stay with us. We're also being joined by my colleague Abhishek and Shweta on this story. Shweta, coming to you. All right, we're getting some more inputs on this particular story. Big breaking news that's coming in is that the attacker has been arrested. The attacker who attacked Saif Ali Khan inside his apartment has been arrested after over 24 hours of search. The big update that is coming in as far as the Saif Ali Khan attack case is concerned, that the attacker, the intruder, has been arrested. We're showing you the visuals of the intruder, which was caught on the CCTV camera. But the latest update, the big update as far as this case is concerned, is that the attacker has finally been arrested after over 24 hours. We're learning that the attacker in the Saif Ali Khan attack case has been arrested by the Mumbai police. So Saif Ali Khan underwent surgery after the attack and is now stable. He has still not been discharged, but the attacker, the hunt was on to nab the attacker since last 24 hours, and he has finally been arrested by the Mumbai police. And meanwhile, Saif Ali Khan is also now stable. He will be discharged in a day or two. But the big update as far as this case is concerned is that the attacker has been arrested. As per Mumbai police sources, he was last seen near the Bandra railway station. But now, the latest update that is coming in is that he has finally been arrested. The Mumbai police continues to interrogate other suspects as well. The laborers, the two laborers are also being interrogated who were doing the maintenance work in Saif Ali Khan's building. Cops suspect that there's a link between the laborers and the intruder. There was some kind of inside help that the intruder got. But the big update that is coming in is that the attacker has finally been arrested. So as far as the Saif Ali Khan attack case is concerned, the big breaking news coming in right now is that the attacker has been arrested. He was caught on camera, CCTV footage. We were showing you the visuals of the attacker who has finally been arrested after over 24 hours. My colleague Rucha is joining us again with the latest on this. Rucha, over to you.
Well, just now we have seen the accused was brought in by the Bandra police. He was just brought in here at the Bandra police station. As we can see, the Mumbai police's team is currently at Bandra police station, which is also DCP Zone 9, now joined Commissioner of the Mumbai Police Crime Branch Unit will be coming here, and they will interrogate this person what he was intending while he entered Saif's house. Did he know the entire area earlier? Was he there before this incident took place? Because police was saying that it is not possible to do this kind of robbery or attack that happened on Saif Ali Khan by someone who is doing it for the first time. This person may have done Reiki in the past. He may have gone to Sadhguru Sharan, which is Saif's apartment, and he knew exact blind spots where the CCTV camera could not capture him. He knew where the entry and exits are. He also entered this apartment without getting caught on any CCTV camera. He managed to find a point where he was not seen in the camera, and he climbed these 12 floors by using staircase. While coming down, he was captured on 6th floor of a CCTV, and he later used the building shaft, which is an area which is where the building's water pipes or the toilet pipes go from. He managed to board on that. He even while coming down, he used the building shaft and he came down. There was a building adjacent to Shadguru Saran, which the Saif's apartment, which was under construction, and the main gate had a long wall of about 12 feet, which he couldn't climb, which is why he used the adjacent building's compound wall, which was under construction. He managed to jump from there and he managed to enter here. Now, it is also important that this building had a basement parking where he may have gone after he attacked Saif, because he was not captured in the area around this building. He may have seeked shelter there for some time while Saif was being taken to a hospital, and after that he may have ran towards Bandra railway station. And now, after almost 24 hours, the crime branch, the Mumbai police, Bandra police, is successful in their mission of getting this person arrested. He is now currently being interrogated at the Bandra rail police station, and now it is going to be clear what was his intention behind this. Was this only about robbing a family? Did he know that he is entering Saif Ali Khan's house, or was he just there because it was a high-profile society? Even few days ago, there was flooring work going on at Saif's residence. Many workers used to come and go on daily basis there for a week almost. And was he one of them? Was he there before this happened? Was he there doing Reiki of this entire area? And did he know whether he is attacking Saif Ali Khan? And even now, he's being questioned and interrogated by the Mumbai police and the crime branch. There was a discussion that the crime branch was not getting enough inputs from the Bandra police. Well, now Bandra police is successfully arrested this person and is now being interrogated. It was already clear that this was the same person that had counter with the house help Lima. This was the same person who attacked Saif Ali Khan, as his CCTV footage and his picture was shown to Lima, the house help, and she had verified that this was the exact person who had attacked her, also attacked Saif Ali Khan. He was there to demand 1 crore rupees, as she was the first person to counter him and question him why he was inside the house. First of all, it was very dangerous that he had directly entered the house. He was seen at Saif Ali Khan's youngest son Jahangir's bedroom. How he managed to get there, and after Lima saw him, she countered him, she questioned him. He said that he is looking for money, and he demanded 1 crore rupees from him, from Saif Ali Khan as well as the entire family. At that time, Saif and the entire family, the house helps, managed to lock him in their bedroom, and they went upstairs. Now, Saif Ali Khan stays in duplex. His room is on 11th floor, while the other house help, his staff, chefs, live on 12th floor. They managed to lock him in the bedroom on 11th floor, and they went upstairs. After getting more people to help to grab him, they came downstairs and they figured out that the person, the accused, had already left from there. Now, after that, Saif was immediately taken to Leelavati Hospital. The family called Ibrahim, the family called Kunal Khemu, they came there, took him to Leelavati Hospital. He was being treated, and now the Mumbai police will also manage to get Saif Ali Khan's statement, as his condition is now stable. He is out of danger. Today, he will be taken out of ICU. He will be shifted to general ward, and where he will be fit enough to speak with the Mumbai police. He will be giving his statement what exactly happened.